Eweche mago mamoko wayudo kanyo ni jatend migao Laktar Salome Bikon osingo ni obila mago maka Kenya women mago maka Kenya women prison mago mabende ne oyudo kanyo midhiero mano mar Mach. Otieno mabende ne piny orugodo kawuono ei Lang'ata Women Maximum Prison ne owacho ni gibiro bedo ka giyudo kanyo sira mano mabende owuok kuome. Weche maket koda magi ne owacho sechego mago mabende ne ochopo mar mondo mi otim limbe ne familia mago mabende romo 30 mago mabende masira maket koda mano ne okwako otieno mane piny orugodo kawuono.
Nimezunguka, nimeona mahali mnaishi na ni ukweli. I've been saying that I am not happy with the standard of living for our officers, and that's why we are making all efforts to make sure that you get decent housing, and the Department of Housing has already advertised, so we hope in the very near future we will start construction for your houses, for proper houses, not what you have been having. It is very sad that my officers should live in that kind of standard of life. We are also trying to go the PPP way. We get a private investor because we know we have sufficient resources through rent to see if we can also fast track. But meanwhile, tumeongea with the CGP and with the officer in charge, and our first solution has given our officer here some resources. We start immediately to build temporary houses, and I believe she will get started, and in conjunction with the CGP, they will inform me so that we see what additional resources tutawapatia. Pole tunaelewa, hili ni janga kubwa sana na ninawapa pole. So nimepatia a bit of resources to the OIC. We start immediately. She has promised me that in the next few days we should have the structures back on the feet, and then we see how much more resources we can mobilize to see if we can assist you a little bit.
It's a big intervention, and also an element of psychosocial support because of what happened. I'm happy and we are grateful to God rather that we never had a casualty or any loss of life, and therefore we responded quickly by evacuating from the houses. So myself and the peers will see with us. We have already had a conversation, and